In this video, we're going to be going over how to install an NVMe drive in a 2014 Mac Mini. So we're going to pry up, there's 3 points of contact, should be like here and here. The words Mac Mini should be facing you. Just gonna pry that up, I'm gonna pry this guy up, and this guy up, and you're in. We're just gonna remove all 6 of these screws, and you're gonna need a Torx T6 security. If you don't get the security, it's not going to have the divot in the top. It's going to be impossible to get these guys off. So just make sure you get the, I think tamper proof or security are the 2 kinds you're going to want. I got this one on Amazon. There'll be a link below if you want to get the same toolkit I did. And you should just be able to tip that over, and there's your Wi-Fi card. This is where we're going to place our adapter. This is where your m.2, if it came with an m.2, your adapter will already be placed on there and it'll be sitting here. But since ours doesn't, we're just going to attach our adapter now. This is our adapter that we got. This piece is going to go right there. This is adhesive. And then our m.2 is going to plug right into there, and we're going to screw it down. We got the 2280, but you can get any size that you want, just have to move the screw. So I'm going to remove the adhesive. And then that's just going to stick down where we can lock this guy into place. So you push that guy down. Here, we click a little bit, push the adhesive down, you've got that mounted. So we've got our NVMe drive, we're just going to slot that into our NVMe stall. And that adapter came with 2 m.2 screws in case you lose one. So we're just going to get one out of the bag, and we're going to screw that guy down, and then we'll just replace everything. Should be a real quick fix. Then we just screw that on. Boop. We've got our m.2 attached. We just screw this guy back down into his clamp position, and we should be good. So I'm going to start with the small little screws just because I don't want to lose them. Boop. Then we move on to the 3 bigger ones. And then we just place our shield back on, just line it up over the big ones. It's gonna clip on. You've got your m.2 attached. Now you've got that installed, you can hold Command R when you boot up, and you can install Mac OS onto your NVMe drive. Thank you guys for watching. If you've liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.